In this video, I will show you how you can turn off the automatic updates on your iPad Air. Now, there are two methods to do so. The first method is if you want to turn off the automatic software updates on your iPad. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update, and over here you will find the option for Automatic Updates. Just tap on Automatic Updates. If the option for automatic install has been enabled, just disable it from here. And also disable automatic download and automatic install. And after you disable all these three options, you will turn off the automatic software updates on your iPad Air. But if you want to turn off the automatic updates for the apps on your iPad, now to do that, just go back to the main settings page, and from here just scroll down and tap on apps. From this app list, just tap on App Store, and under automatic downloads, just disable the toggle for app updates. And after you disable this toggle, your iPad will not automatically update the apps on your iPad Air. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.